Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. It's Nick from F150LEDs.com. Today we're going to be showing you how easy it is to install some full-length bed rail lighting for your bed of the truck. This particular model is a Gen 3 Raptor 2021, but the installation is going to be the same across all 21 and up F150 models regardless of trim. It's a great product. It makes utilizing your bed much easier as far as accessing it, loading it, unloading it, getting in and out. It's going to be a lot safer. So it's a great product. It's also automatically integrated with your truck's courtesy lights. So whenever you approach with a key sensor tech, or if you hit unlock on your key or open the doors, these lights are going to automatically power on. So it's a great kit. We're going to show you how easy it is to install right now. First, use the included cleaning wipes to clean the surface areas where we're going to be mounting our LED strips. With a clean mounting surface, we can now move to installing our LEDs. Start with the passenger side of the truck and ensure that you're using the LED kit that has the longest red and black wires. First, remove the first section closest to the cab of the truck, auto-grade adhesive backing. Then apply it to the recently cleaned area with firm pressure for approximately 30 seconds. Repeat this process for each section of the passenger side of the bed. With our LED lights installed, it's now time to use our RTP silicone, further strengthen the bond to the truck and to further weatherproof the LED strips. Using the RTP silicone is a critical step to ensuring the longevity of your LED installation. Take your time applying, ensuring the strip is completely covered. Now tuck your wires under the bed cap. Repeat these steps to install the bed lights on your driver's side. Now that both sides of our LED strips are installed, run the wires from your passenger side to your driver's side and tuck it under the bed cap. Now let's run your wires between the bed of your truck and your cab, because we're going to be routing them back into the truck's kick panel here to connect to power. So once we've got our wires run under our truck, we're going to peel back this door sill here. Just takes a little bit of upward pressure. There's just some compression tabs like so. And then we're going to drill a hole so that our wires can access. You'll notice there's a white plastic tab located right here. You can see it on the camera. We're just going to drill a small hole into that plastic tab, a 5/32 hole. Now it's plastic, it's going to drill really easy. We'll go under the truck, push our wire up through here. Now that we've got our bed light wires run into the cab of the truck here in this kick panel, we're going to be using our easy T-tap connectors to connect to the truck's harness. These things are extremely easy to use. So on this single side, there's a circle opening. You're just going to want to lift the latch all the way up, and we're going to run our wire into that circle opening and then apply pressure down. And this long side, T side here, is going to allow us to connect directly to the harness. So let's go ahead and add these easy connectors to our wires, like so. Take some pliers. You want to firmly press all the way down. Okay, I'm going to add one to each of our wires. Now these red wires from our bed light kit are going to be for the power, and the black wires Don't get confused when they get pulled apart. These black wires will have a little strip of red, but if it's got black on it, we're using that for our ground. I'm gonna add our T-tap here to this ground. Make sure it's inserted all the way in. Pressure, like so. And then one more here on our power wire. And then we'll be ready to connect to the truck's harness. Now you're gonna wanna refer to the instructions that are included with your kit. So don't just follow solely on this video, because Ford does change color wires depending on the model of the truck and year, etc. But in this case, we're gonna be using a gray wire that has a violet strip and for power, and then for ground, we're gonna be using this black with violet tracer. Okay, so one thing that we're gonna do is we're going to piggyback these wires. So instead of connecting both power wires to the power wire here and both ground wires to the ground wire here, I'm gonna go ahead and connect the bed lights basically to the back on themselves, so that we only have to make one connection to the truck's harness. These T-taps are extremely easy to use. They can be easily removed if you need to. So they really make connecting to power really easy, even if you've never done it before. All right, so now our bed lights are combined to one, so we just need to connect our power wire here to the power wire harness of this truck, this gray with violet. Push all the way down. And then we'll connect our ground to the ground on the truck. In this case, we're gonna be using this black and purple. Okay. Now we'll be able to tuck our wires back on, put our kick plate panel back on, and we'll be done. Okay guys, that's all there is to getting our automated LED bed light kit installed on a 2021 and up Ford F-150 series truck. It's very versatile. It's gonna fit regardless of the size of the bed you have, whether you've got a tonneau cover, a flip cover, no cover at all, whether you've got it rhino lined or it's completely bare metal. It's a great kit. It's gonna make using the bed of your truck much easier at night. Unloading or loading, make getting in and out safer. Plus, it gives a great aesthetic upgrade to the truck at night as well. Highly recommend it. You can check it out at f150les.com, where you'll find all of our custom-built LED lighting products built specifically for your Ford F-150. We truly appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you there soon. Thanks, guys.